Canada may have been home to the largest flood in human history. Meet Glacial Lake Agassiz, the largest lake in North American history. 12,000 years ago, as the last ice age ended, a wall of ice 4 kilometers thick began to melt. The Laurentide ice sheet acted like a dam, trapping its meltwater behind it. This created the largest lake in North American history, bigger than all of today's Great Lakes combined. It stretched across what is now Manitoba, Saskatchewan, Ontario, North Dakota, and Minnesota. For thousands of years, this lake was created and dammed by a massive ice wall. But around 13,000 years ago, something terrifying happened. That ice dam broke, releasing thousands and thousands of cubic kilometers of fresh water into both the Arctic and the North Atlantic Oceans. Think of this as a flood of biblical proportions. What happened next changed Earth's climate. All that fresh water disrupted the Atlantic's ocean circulation, the same system that keeps Europe warm today. The result? Something called the Younger Dryas, a sudden return to Ice Age conditions that lasted for over 1,000 years. Temperatures plummeted, glaciers that had been retreating began advancing again, and early human civilization faced a climate catastrophe. But that was just one of Lake Agassiz's flooding events. The lake's legacy continued until the Laurentide ice sheet finally disappeared, and the lake eventually drained into both the Atlantic and Arctic Oceans. However, part of Lake Agassiz still remains. You see Lake Winnipeg, Lake Manitoba, Lake of the Woods. These are just remnants of the once giant Lake Agassiz, and the fertile soil of the Red River Valley, that's the lake bed. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.